Today I would like to show you very easy 3-step how to make your pumpkin design. You don't need to carve your pumpkin. That is very heavy for your hand, and you don't need to have flour or foam or your design, your arrangement inside the pumpkin, because they get rotten and bad after mushy after 1 or 2 days. This way your pumpkin is nice and fresh, stays for as long as you want them to stay on your table. Only flour. We made this flour very nice and round arrangement with fall flour. You can have this arrangement easy for 10-15 days. This flour, you can change the flour, your pumpkin is still not touched and beautiful and fresh. So let's watch together how to make and create this beautiful design. Okay, let's start together. This is very easy technique I am showing you. Just make sure your pumpkin is nice and round, or any other shape. Just according shape of your pumpkin, we do this design. This is just like round centerpieces. I have some carnation, some kind of brownish red cushion mom, orange roses, that's always beautiful, and some kind of filler, maybe daisy or cushion daisy. You can have any other kind of fall colors flower. Always on my design, I try to use basic everyday flowers that everybody can do this design. It's not unordinary flower that you cannot get hold of it or find it. I have some myrtle. Myrtle, I cut it in small pieces because I don't think we need bigger piece. As I said, this is very easy design. I made some cage, foam inside the cage, chicken wire cage. You can find any area, you can push foam inside the stem, or you can put flower pick inside of your pumpkin and push your foam inside. And then push corners of this chicken wire inside to be able to have your foam secured in the place. You don't need to tape or anything. This will hold your arrangement in place perfectly. I am just like always we do. Carnation and roses are my primary here, that they are mass flower. We wanted to make sure this is round centerpiece on top of pumpkin. So I will start with top to create shape. Make sure your carnations are nice and open. Go inside of this cage. Go again in different area. You can do two-sided round, every-sided round, nice shape, any way that you prefer to have. And then make sure everything is good in this corner. I'm gonna move this one a little bit in front that you can see nice, good round shape. So we have triangle, and then I go with orange roses in between this area. And then I'm gonna start on my secondary, very beautiful. Without hesitation, try to use as much as you can to make sure your arrangement is perfectly full and round. You can use some fall leaves, but you can do whatever you prefer in this design. Very easy, almost done. I'm gonna make sure everything in front, as you see, it's very nice round. We can add more in these corners, a little bit more of this color, and then I'm gonna use, if I need. Sometimes you don't need to use any greenery. I love this color, really. It's beautiful fall. Fall flowers are really nice. Or I can say every season they have their own beauty. Spring is really breathtaking. If you love flower and design of flower, I think every color and every season has their own love in your heart. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of greenery just to cover mechanic. Just around any area that you feel. The way that you water, a lot of my students actually ask for this question, how do we water? Don't move the arrangement, just take whole pumpkin in your kitchen sink under running water. Just add water to the foam, wash your pumpkin, refresh your pumpkin, and that's it. Notice that I need to add filler. I can add Astromeria. Yellow and brown, they both are very beautiful, practical color for this design. So I can add one or two, not too many, maybe one in each corner. So I will cut it a little bit shorter and go in. It's perfect. And these flowers are all long lasting. You really don't need to be worried about anything. They last for you easy 10 days or more. I added a little bit of Astromeria. As you know, they are very nice, long-lasting filler, I should say, Peruvian lily or Astromeria. Most of my products are from Ecuador, so they last. Not most, I should say, all of my products are from Ecuador and Colombia. These roses are open very nice. I'm gonna show you that you can go inside, just go one by one, and then put your finger inside and open them a little bit without damaging any petals. Then they can go anywhere you want. So you see, roses, carnation, any flower that you use in your design, they need to be open. I put everything out of refrigerator one night before any usage, any design. During the design, I make sure if it's carnation or roses or even Astromeria Peruvian lily, I make sure they are fully open. After I add some of this myrtle, I think we are good. So thank you for watching with me, and it's very nice and easy, very easy step, the way that you put the foam and chicken wire and then add your flower one by one. Make sure don't get confused to which flower is which flower, primary, secondary, and filler, and some greenery. Very easy, 4-5 steps, no more than that. This is very easy technique. Also, while you are enjoying this during fall, subscribe to my channel. Also go to minadesignschool.com. So let's have nice fall season together with our beautiful creation of pumpkin.